Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple granny 3D blanket pattern. It's so simple. It's only repeating as granny. So we made our corners and make our 3D effects. It's so simple. You need to know only make chains and double crochet. So simple. I use in this sample, you can see this 3D effect very big because this yarn size is 4 and I use 5mm hook. This is multicolor yarn, but I want to show you how you can how it will be looking on 3.5mm hook and size 3 yarn. This is 50g yarn, is 140 meters long. I hope you will try that. Actually, you can make this pattern on pillows, throws, blankets, bags also. You can use it. So simple and so fast crocheting. I promise that. If you're ready, sorry, I want to remember that. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also please don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful, so simple 3D blanket pattern. Let's start to crochet. First of all, we will make magic ring. I want to make it more closer. Make a big circle this time. Okay, like that. Then 1, 2, 3 chains. Count as your first double. Then add here 3 more. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. 3. 1 more, 4. I have 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn my doubles. Yarn over. In the same stitch, the first stitch, I insert, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. And make a double crochet in each stitch and count these first chain 3. So I increase my doubles 4 to 5. 2, next one, 3, next one, 4, and the last one, 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains and turn your work on front side. Here our circle. Yarn over and take these doubles front side. Take your hook from behind of it and insert that circle and make here double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, count as your first double, turn your work, yarn over, insert into the same stitch and make your doubles. This is 2, next one 3, next one 4, and the last one 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains this time and turn to the front side. Yarn over, take your hook behind of that doubles here and insert that circle and make double crochet. Like that. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 1, 2, 3. Count as your first double and turn your work. Start from the very first. This is the second one, next one the third, next one the fourth, and the last one the fifth one. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains and turn to the front side again. Yarn over, take these doubles, take my hook behind of it and insert that circle again and make double crochet. Repeat that until we have 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3. I will complete it 8 pieces and turn to you. I complete my 8 pieces. This is the last one. Make my 4 chains. This time we close that, so I insert my hook from the top of first chain 3 and join with a slip stitch. Then pull that yarn tightly and close this hole here. Then make 1 slip stitch here, come to chain 4 space, first one. Now we prepare the corner. We have 8 spaces. We will make 4 corners. This is my first corner. 1. We do the same thing. 1, 2, 3 chains count as my first double. Then add here 3 more. 2, 3 and 4. Chain 3, turn my work, make double crochet in every each stitch, increase 4 to 5. One, 2, 3 and 4 chains and turn my work. I want to make corners, so I will make one more this piece, this leaf piece, shell piece, what do you want to say there? Insert into the same space and make my corner. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn your work and make double crochet in every each stitch. 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn my work. I complete my first corner, so I will come to next space, yarn over and insert into the space and make here again my doubles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn your work. Again make every stitch double. 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn your work. Come to next space, yarn over and make here my doubles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 chains and turn my work again. Make my double crochet in every each stitch. One, 2, 3, 4. Turn my work. This is my second corner, so yarn over and insert into the same space and make here 4 doubles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then chain 3 and make here totally 5 double. Chain 4 and come to next space. So make here the second corner. Here make 1 piece, then come to third corner, make next 1 piece, make here last for the fourth corner and make here 1. I complete and come here and turn to you. I complete the round. You can see that This is the first corner, the second one, the third one, and the last one. Make my last piece and close this round. Again, chain 4 and come to first chain 3 stop, join with a slip stitch. After this round, you can put a marker from here because it's hard to see where did you start that. Make here 1 slip stitch, chain 3 and complete it. 4, make your piece and make your corner. 1, 2, 3, turn it and make your totally 5 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4 and turn my work front side. This is corner, so I insert into the same space again, make my corner. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again make, turn it to back side. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time come to next space and make your pieces. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Do the same thing. You can see that here 1 space again, so make here 1 piece. Then you come to corner, make 2 pieces in this corner. Then make 1, 1. When you come to corner, make here 2. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. When you come to the end of this round, you will join with a slip stitch as same as. This is as like granny. Also, you can make it bigger. You will crochet your corners like that and make the between of them spaces, make 1 pieces every set. I hope you like it and you will try. It's so simple and so fast crocheting. You can do that easily. It's back side like that. This is front side. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. Thanks for your kind comments. Also, you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.